Hey everyone, today I'll be making Indian version of bread pudding. It's called Shahi Tukde. I hope you guys really enjoy. You will need 5 slices of bread, a cup of almonds, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of regular milk. I'm using 2%, but whole milk would be better, 2 tablespoons of butter, some saffron, and 4 to 5 cloves of cardamom. Now to me, cooking is all about using what you have. I appreciate rich ingredients, different ingredients, but if you don't have them, you don't have to go searching for them. Try to see what you have at home. Traditionally, this dish is made with white bread or thick brioche bread, but what I have at home is honey wheat bread, and all I can do is try it out. Start by cutting your bread. I like to cut mine in triangles and remove the crust for aesthetics, but you can do it however way you want. And then you're going to toast them for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Now when you're handling that bread, you want to handle it like a flour, soft, gentle. For the sauce, you want to boil your milk on low to medium heat, stirring continuously. Slowly stir it. Let each particle get some heat. After a few minutes, crush your almonds either by hand or by processor and add a teeny bit of saffron. Add your cardamom powder. I am doing this by hand because I like the flavor and smell of it being fresh, but you can buy the pre-made powder or you can just skip it altogether. It's entirely optional. I forgot to show this, but also add half a can of sweetened condensed milk and stir slowly. If you don't have sweetened condensed milk, add condensed milk and half a cup of sugar. In another 5 minutes, you will see it form this beautiful thick consistency, just the way I like it. Now that the sauce is done, fry your bread up in some butter real quick. Now when you're frying the bread, you don't want it to just be black. You want to smack it around a little bit and then wait until it's that perfect golden crispy color. You want to treat it with love and kindness and let that butter soak in. To plate it, add a thick layer of sauce to your serving dish and arrange your bread exactly the way you want it. Add some more sauce over the top and garnish with saffron, fruits, and almonds. I use raspberries because in my opinion, the tartness pairs so well with the light cream sauce. You guys have to give this a try.